Hey there, Chris Custer with PageMaker, and in this first video I want to show you how to go about creating a landing page. We can kind of give you a little orientation on what you're looking at when you first log in, and a little information about the templates that you'll be looking at, okay, and the ones you have to choose from. So when you first log in, this is the page you'll be on, and this is your members area, and we really tried to keep this really simple for you so that you can navigate quickly, easily, find what you're looking for, and really punch these pages out as quickly as possible. And so every section in PageMaker works exactly the same way. Okay, this main window on the left is it shows the contents of the section that you're in. You navigate sections here under your dashboard. So clicking on the My Images, for instance, is going to bring you here, and you'll see your images there and videos here, just like that. Okay, so you go back to Manage Landing Pages to get to the main section here. Okay, and in here you can edit a page, you can download your page, or you can just delete your page, and that's all there is to that. So when we create a new page, click the orange button, and we'll have the option here. Just name it. We'll just call it test page 5. Okay, click continue. And then you'll be brought to the editing area where you can actually build your landing page. Okay, we have dozens of templates already pre-designed for you, and I'm going to talk a little bit more about that here in just a second, but let me kind of go over the parts of the screen here. Across the top you have a row of tabs to open up the different elements that you want to add to your page. Right now we're on templates, so the templates are loaded here in this slider window. You navigate that by just clicking on the single shark fin button here. Okay, and if you want to move across a greater number of templates or move within groups, you click the double fin here. Okay, and that under some tabs the double fin makes a difference, under other tabs it doesn't. So for instance, under the text, which is where all of our copy templates are, and we're going to cover that in the next video, you can actually navigate between different major categories of copy, headlines, subheads, things like that. Okay, but once you so that's how the slider window works. If you go to videos, if you go to images, if you go to audios, which I don't have any loaded at the moment, you go to forms. Okay, the contents of the slider window is going to change. All right, now down here is the landing page template itself, and we have this is the default template. If you want to choose a different one, all you do is kind of scroll through till you find something that you like. You click the template, and you have three options. You can cancel, but your two options for changing are to just switch or save changes and switch. It's kind of self-explanatory, but let me explain what. If you are if you're in the middle of editing a particular template and you've got some copy added to it, video or whatever elements you have added to the template, and you at midstream decide you want to go with a different template, click Save Changes and Switch, and it will transfer over as many of those elements as possible to your new template. Okay, so it'll transfer your headlines, put your headlines where they're supposed to be, your video where your video is supposed to be, so on and so forth. Now, not every template switches as smoothly between itself and another template. So, for instance, if you're going from a template design like this, okay, you'll be able to switch to this template very smoothly because it has roughly the same elements. Okay, it's got a place for headlines, got a place for video, and a place for sign-up forms. But if you try to go from this template to, say, this CPA template, okay, your changes aren't, that you may see some difference in where things are laid out. Okay, so you may have to manually adjust some of that. Okay, and that's just because it's a completely different template. Right. Another thing I need to address with the templates is that each of these is pre-made, and they're each based off of templates that are landing pages and review pages that are working very well online right now. Okay, they convert very well. And so what we did when we created these was we tried to keep the elements as close as possible to the way the elements are working in the model landing pages that we looked at. So that means that some templates are going to they're going to be designed to work a certain way. For instance, the current template that I have up, okay, it has a place for headline, it has a place for subheads. It has if I don't like the as seen on graphic here, I can click it. I can delete that if I want to. Okay, has a place for video, a place for sign up form. Okay, it does not have a place for images. Okay, and so if you try to add an image to this template, you're going to run into some trouble because the template is hardwired to work with these particular elements. Okay, so if you want to add images to a particular template, then you need to select the template that has an images placeholder already plugged in. Okay, and we did this for a number of reasons. One was to keep the integrity of the landing page, but also because the whole premise behind PageMaker is that you can punch out these pages as quickly as possible. And so we understand that most people who use PageMaker are going to be mostly interested in getting their pages done fast. Okay, not sitting around tinkering with all sorts of different web design issues. Okay, so that's the number one reason why. Now, having said that, one feature that we are currently in development on and hope to roll out very, very soon is an option for you to build your landing page up completely from scratch. Okay, and it will work exactly like this, only you'll be able to actually define, I want a video here, I want an image over here, I want a headline over here, and you can just manually just create your page exactly the way you want it. Okay, obviously that's going to take a little more time on your part, but it is a feature that we are currently working on and hope to have available very, very soon. But for now, with the pre-made templates, these are structured a certain way for a reason, and it's because they convert best this way. And so just stick with the elements that are available there. Okay, so this video is going kind of long, but I will say this: you have a pick of dozens of different templates, and there's an enormous amount of flexibility within the template. As far as being able to add the elements that are that there is a placeholder for on the template. So just keep that in mind, and you'll be able to punch these out extremely fast. So again, this is Chris Custer with PageMaker. Hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. I know this ran a little bit long, but check out the other videos on how to actually add copy, how to add images, how to add videos, and so on and so forth. Okay, and I'll see you on the next videos. Thanks.